Hello, fellow Rosarians. Bagheera's here to help us unpack our box today. I'm not camera ready, so we're just going to focus on the unboxing. A lot of us want to use clematis with our roses. So, no sir, we're not doing that. We are not doing that in front of the camera. So a lot of us want to use clematis with our roses, and so I wanted to order from Donahues greenhouse so I would know what to expect. We'll figure out how to use these in the yard, and I'll share that with you. But these shipped USPS, and let's go ahead and unbox this. They have included a catalog of all of their clematis, and you guys, there are so many different varieties, and they talk about how to take care of different varieties and how to cut them back. So check out their website, even in the event that even in the event that you have your own clematis already, and you may need to remind yourself how to take care of it. So here's a listing that shows all of the flower sizes of their varieties, so very helpful. The price of these are $15 a piece. The freight, so the shipping ended up being $15. I bought 5 clematis, and they have fit them into this one box, so this is interesting. Okay, so we have teeny tiny band pots. Let's open it up. But you can see that this is about 3 inches, and this variety is Giacomini. Here at Bagheera, you can see that. This variety is Josephine, and this one looks like it's been stretching towards the light. It's a little bit lighter in color. Again, it's about the same size. Let me get that tag back in there. This is a double clematis, and the name is Diamantina. Let me show you this size. This is the smallest so far. My goodness. Is this even 1 inch in size? Teeny, teeny, tiny. Miss Bateman. And let me take this off so you can see what I'm looking at. Maybe it'll perk up, but again, this is teeny tiny and not bright green in color. Maybe an inch, inch and a half. So we're going to want to watch that one. All right, one more. The tallest yet out of them. This is Tekla. And let's go ahead and take it out of its bag. This one's about 6 inches. And so this is the tallest from all of them that I got. So let me know what you think about these roots. If you're an experienced clematis buyer, I'm not. So let me know. Let me know if you have bought from Donahues and if you're happy with the quality. We'll be checking on these through the season and hoping for good things. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.